Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. So, let's start.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
At first, go to any browser and type create Gmail accounts. Now click create a Gmail account. After this, click create an account. Now, type your first name, last name, and username. After providing all names, now type your password. Confirm password again. Now, click on Next. We can see, phone number required is optional, not compulsory. So, we just add a recovery mail here and we do not need any phone number. Now type your date of birth, year, and gender. Click on Next. Click I agree. We can see a welcome message, and our Gmail account is created successfully. Now, check mail inbox. And we can see a mail from Google for the finished setup. Dear, you can use these tricks again after 5 or 7 days later to create another Gmail account. Before create, you must clear your browser data. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.